Kajingbun ki Khynnah Skul ki pass matric kala nangkiu man lausnam bat kajingdon kam ban penhe iki Kamra Skul ru kalong ka badon kam bat Jingpyrkhat jangai jong ginong Pynïar Skul na ka banta ki Khynnah kalong ka aka ka badai ban pertu namar haka Jaka ka bampoi Pyrkhat hapo ka Jingpet jong Father Anthony Kharkongor kumu principal ka school tang hapo ka sisnam lala ban penyeng sagway pat ka yeng mala school jong ka Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School ka ban la ban penon kam na ka banta ki babun ki jingdon kam jong ki Khynnah Skul. Haka arpu artrik luber arja arpu saula la ban play kini ka building ka badon haka jo ka Jaka badon ka Don Bosco Mini Stadium daw Dr. D. Vijay Kumar IAS Commissioner and Secretary CMO Finance Planning Sports kumu kongsan haringkat ka Don lang Archbishop ka Shillong Archdiocese u Most Reverend Bishop Victor Lingdo u Provincial ka Silesian Shillong Province u Father Paul O. Lingkot u Father James Ternyang Economer ka Silesian Shillong Province Father Anthony Kharkongor u Principal ka School ki Sister ki Nohikai ki Khynnah School bat kiwei plasap khot ngobha Father Anthony Kharkongor la thu baka jingsnai ka ni ka building ka dai na ka daw ka jingkiu palat ka jingbon ki Khynnah Skul hakini ki snam bala dab da ka jingthmu ban la ban penbyang ki jingdon kam ki Khynnah habaro ki liang la yo I ka jingdon kam ban penhe ka ni ka Skul batru ban Pynïar ka Jingmut Jingpyrkhat ki Khynnah.
Keep listening, and pretty soon you'll start to figure out your part. Everyone plays a piece, and there are melodies to each one of us. Oh, it's glorious.
I wish you all therefore a pleasant morning. I am filled with immense pride and excitement as we celebrate a significant milestone in our school's journey. The inauguration of our new infrastructure, St. Anthony's Annex, an extension urgently needed to accommodate and provide facilities for the growing students population of our community. This not only marks the physical expansion of our campus, but also a commitment that nurtures learning, growth, and excellence. New infrastructure serves as the foundation upon which our educational endeavors stand. A well-equipped school provides the necessary tools and spaces conducive to learning. It creates an atmosphere where students can explore their potential, engage in collaborative activities, and drive deeper into their academic pursuits. The facilities provided for our students play a vital role in shaping their educational journey. And at the outset, we are therefore happy to inaugurate this new extension building, Don Bosco Sports Academy. From modern classroom equipped with staff with state-of-the-art technology to laboratories equipped with advanced equipment, from well-stocked libraries to well-maintained modern facilities, for sports, for extracurricular activities, from comfortable study areas to recreational areas, each amenity overall learning experience. These facilities not only support academic achievement, but also promote holistic development by fostering creativity, critical thinking, and social skills among students, while nurturing their intellectual, emotional, and physical growth. Let us not forget that the impact of better education facilities extends far beyond the confinement of our school walls. It permeates into the fabric of society, shaping the future of our communities, a well-educated community. In turn, ensures progress and prosperity. By investing in superior educational facilities, we are investing in the future of our society. We are nurturing the next generation of leaders, thinkers, and innovation who will shape the world we live in.
Habakran kumukong san u Dr. D. Vijay Kumar ulakan mau tempang yala ka jinglet school jung u hakaway nagi school mission hat Telangana kabaw la yero e ka jinglong discipline bat ka mensim jingele hapadang ki para Khynnah school. Bot lakan tu ki Khynnah ban kpi benya e ka jingla jong la de ban shem ya ka lat ka baki yo na la ka school man pen bhaya ka menta na ka benta ka laway.
So thank you so much for inviting me again and coming to the school. Always I was telling the Reverend Bishop that it's like going back to my school, because I also studied in a missionary school. I studied in a school called St. Alphonsus High School in a place called Nalgonda in Telangana state, which is about 100 kilometers from Hyderabad now. So I studied in the school, and coming here brings back those memories of being in school, with all the fathers and the competitiveness and the spirit of excellence of the children, always wanting to be on stage and deliver something extraordinary, give a good speech, give a good performance, impress the audience. So, it brings back all those memories. Once again, thank you for that. So, I think I would like to convey his message and his good wishes and congratulations to all of you. The last thing that I want to talk about is skilling. So, Father is also here from the Don Bosco Technical School. So, we have made a visit, we visited the school multiple times. And again, skilling is something that has huge potential, because again, I connected to what I said before, because the world is fast changing. So there are many jobs which we think that human beings are doing now will be taken over by machines. But skilling is something, and that too short-term skilling courses that Don Bosco Tech is doing, and we are also supporting across the state in various other institutions, are very important, especially for our youth, because today in this fast-changing world, with a 6-month or even a 3-month training, so people are able to get a new skill set and find a job. Because maybe 10 years later, what is now the jobs that are available may not be available. So then you need a new skill set. So therefore, our ability, right from a young age, to learn new skills on the go will enable us to face the new world, to be adaptable in this new world, and to, in some sense, be winners in the new world that's coming. So to inspire people, we need these small things. We need to keep up our places well. We need to create good infrastructure. We need to, have these beautiful plants. So we need to pay attention to small things. So those will not only make our life better in terms of utility, but also they inspire us to do even better in life.
habatin pej bahagi ki sharp plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangi bam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pindon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.